Hello everyone, Devjyoti here from Oishuri.com, and today in this MasterStudy LMS tutorial, I'll show you how you can create a professional certificate for a student what they will get after completing their online courses. Certificates are a great way to increase student engagement, improve their course value, and reward learners for completing their training. So let's start. So that is my WordPress dashboard, and here I successfully installed MasterStudy theme. Also I successfully installed MasterStudy LMS and MasterStudy LMS Pro version. So after successfully install all the plugin, after creating all the courses, you have to follow this step. First of all, I have to hover on the MasterStudy, and from there I have to click in the Pro add-on option. And for your kind information, this certificate builder add-on is available only in the Pro version of the MasterStudy LMS. So from there, first of all, you have to enable this certificate builder add-on. So once you enable this add-on, directly come to the settings. Now in the settings, you can see the certificate option is there. Click on that. So here you can see the certificate threshold. Mean the student have to score minimum this percentage, then only they will get the certificate after completing the course. If you want to change that, you can always do that. Suppose I am doing 80. After that, allow instructor to create certificate. Yes, I want that. The instructor also can create their own certificate for the student. And if you don't want to give that option for the instructor, then you can disable. It's totally up to your choice or your requirement. After that, use current student name on the certificate. If you turn on, then certificate will use the current name. And if you disable that, then certificate will take that initially provide name. So I think better to turn it on. Next, you have to click in the get started. You can click here, else here also you can see a certificate option. Anyone you can select, okay? Suppose I'm clicking here. So by default, as you can see here, there is total almost 9 demo certificate is there. But in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can create your own certificate. I mean, how to create a customized certificate. So for creating the certificate, first of all, I have to click in the add new option. From here, if you want to use any demo certificate to use in your course, then you can choose that, and after that, whatever the changes you want, you can make it from here. But I want totally custom made certificate. So for that, here you can see the plus option, just click on that, and after that you have to choose the layout, vertical or horizontal. Suppose I am choosing vertical. So first of all, I have to give the certificate name. Suppose I am giving the certificate name as my certificate. After that, I have to click in the save certificate. Next, I have to add a background for this certificate. So you can see the background option here. Now here you can see the select image. Click on that. Now let me click in the upload files, select files. Here I already create this background. I am choosing this one and click in the open. And after that, I have to click in the attach option. And always try to keep this certificate background image size. In height, it will be 1044 and in width, it will be 736 for the vertical layout, okay? So now after successfully adding the background, I have to add the elements. So for that, you have to click in the element. So first of all, let me add the logo. So as you can see here, image option is there. Click on the add. Now this image option is coming here. Let me click in the select image, and from the media library, so that is my logo. Click in the attach, drag it here. If you want, you can always resize it. Okay, I think it's looking good. So after that, I need some text. So as you can see here, text option is there. Click on that, drag and drop the text here. So here I'm writing certificate. I don't want italic, so I'm making it normal. And the size I'm taking 20. So after that, I need another text. Click in the add option and place it in the downside like that. Here I'm writing is awarded. And here also I don't want any italic. So make it normal, and the font size I am taking 20 pixel. After that, downside of that, I need the student name. So here you can see the student name. Click in the add option, just drag and drop it downside like that. And student name also I don't want in italic, so make it normal. And the font size, suppose I am taking 28. Let me increase it little bit. And here the color I am choosing blue color. Next, I need a text block. So again, let me click in the add for the text. Just drag and drop it here in the downside like that. So whatever the text you want, just wrote it here. Increase it little bit. Okay, that's perfect. Let me select all, and from here make it normal. Font size suppose 18 pixel. After that, I need the course name. So here you can see the course name. Click in the add, drag and drop it here downside, and from here let's make around 28 pixel, increase the size little bit. I think 28 is more. Let's make it around 24. Okay, make it normal. And from here, suppose I am taking this color. Next, I need a text block. Click in the add, and here I am writing instructor. Okay, I am taking 18 pixel and make it normal. After that, I need the course instructor name. So here you can see the instructor name. Click in the add option, just drag and drop it here downside, increase the size little bit, and suppose I am taking 18 pixel and make it normal. If you want to change the color, always you can do it. Suppose I want this color. So next I need the current date also. So here you can see the current date. Click in the add, I want it here. After that, I need a organization head signature also. I already upload in my media library. So for that, let me take the image, drag it here. After that, click in the select image. So after that, you have to upload the signature here. Next, certificate ID also I needed. So for that, let me add a text here first of all, and drag and drop the text layer downside. So here I'm writing certificate ID, make it 18 pixel, make it normal. And after that, I need the certificate ID also. So here you can see the certificate code, click in the add, drag it downside, increase the width little bit, make it normal, and from here I am making it 18 pixel. If you want to add some more field, always you can do that. You can customize it as you wish. Okay, so after creating the certificate successfully, you have to save the certificate. So now let me come back to the dashboard, and now let me assign this certificate in a course. So let me come to the MasterStudy and come back to the courses. So now from here, let me choose any course. After that, I have to come back to the settings option. Now in the settings option, here you can see the certificate option. So as you can see here, my custom made certificate is displaying here. Let me choose that. After that, let me click in the save option, and make sure this issues a certificate upon completion of the course. It should be enabled. Okay, if you want to provide the certificate after completing the course, then you have to enable that. So once done, let me view the course. Let me open this course in a incognito window, because here I already log in as admin. So let me open the private window and paste that URL. First of all, let me log in as a student. So let me click in the login option. So here I have to mention my email ID, and after that I have to mention my password. Now let me click in the sign in option. So now I successfully logged in. So now let me click in the start course option. It is a free course. For that, I don't have to purchase the course. Okay, so that is my first lesson. So now from here, after completing the lesson, this option complete and next. For this one also, let me complete. So after that, quiz option is coming. So let me click in the start quiz. So here is the correct answer. This one. You have to complete the quiz. Okay, so once done, you have to click in the submit option. This window will pop up. Here you have to click in the submit option. Okay, I already passed the quiz with A+ grade. Okay, as you can see here. So now let me click in the next option. So here also I have to click in the complete and next. Here also in the same manner, I have to complete all the lesson. I have to complete this video lesson also. Click in the complete and next for this lesson also. So after completing all the quizzes and lessons, this window will pop up. So as you can see, I score 100%. Okay, and here you can see the certificate option is coming. If I click on the certificate, as you can see, my certificate come here. So as you can see here, my name is already displaying as Kakuli Das, and after that the course name also displaying in this yellow color, and the instructor name is admin, because this course is created by the admin. Okay, so admin is displaying, today's date is displaying here, and the certificate ID is also displaying here. Okay, now if you want to save the certificate as a PDF, then you can click here, and after that you can save the certificate wherever you want. So in this way, you can create a certificate, assign the certificate in the course, and after completing the course, student will get this kind of professional looking certificate. Hope this tutorial helpful for you. If you really like this video, and if you really enjoy the video content, like this video, share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest notification about this kind of interesting videos. Thank you. Have a nice day.